Hello everyone. Miss English Grammar is back today again with some new topic that is types of pronoun. So, without any delay students, let's start our today's topic. So, first type of pronoun is personal pronoun. Personal pronouns are typically related to associated with some grammatical person. It can be first person, second person or third person. So remember, students, that it's not necessary that they only talk about some people, they can talk about even objects. Personal pronouns, they may take different forms depending on their numbers. They can be singular or they can be plurals. So they can also be written in the nature, in their grammatical nature. For example, they can define their genders, they can define their case or formality. So, students, let's make it easy for you all. I have shared a table for you people. See that we have written over here in the first line persons, all the persons. We have first person, second person, or third person. And then we can use them as singular or plurals. And what is the case basically? We see them that whether they're working as subject or object. So you can read the table. And let me tell you first that if they work at the subject, they come before verb. And if they are working as object, they come after the verb and they receive the action at that time. Then we have another type of pronoun, and that is relative pronoun. Relative pronouns are those pronouns which are used to relate one part of the sentence to another part of the sentence. For example, as you have maybe gone through these words, which, that, who, whose, etc. I have taken a very easy example for you all. I saw a girl who was walking. So it's a connecting word who is relating one part of the sentence to another. So this is called relative pronoun. And the third type is interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronouns are those pronouns which are used to ask questions and they replace some noun. For example, if I say who, whose, but you know that as we have already learned in previous one, that relative pronouns are also who, whose. What is the difference between relative pronoun and interrogative pronoun? Actually, relative pronouns, they come at the mid of the sentence, they relate one part of the sentence to another, but the interrogative pronouns, they usually come at the start, at the beginning of the sentence, and they are used for asking questions. Then we have demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns are basically used to point to some specific object. Demonstrative pronouns are this, that, these, and those. And the next one is indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns are not used to refer to some particular place, person, or thing. For example, somebody, someone, nobody, nowhere, etc. Now we are moving for the next one, that is possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns are used to show some possession or the ownership. For example, his, mine, yours, hers, etc. The next one we have reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are the words myself, yourself, himself, etc. You know that they refer back to person or things in the sentence. We often use these reflexive pronouns when the subject and the object of the verb are same. For example, I cut myself last night when I was making dinner. Then the last one, reciprocal pronouns. They are the pronouns used to express mutual relationship, or we can say that when each of the two or more subjects is acting in the same way towards the other. For example, in a sentence, we can say that A is talking to B and B is talking to A. So we say A and B are talking to each other. In this sentence, each other is our reciprocal pronoun, and we can also say that one and other is also example of reciprocal pronouns. Dear students, I hope that today's lecture is easy to understand for you people. But still, if there is any confusion, you can let me know in comments and I will answer your queries. Thank you. Bye bye.